So let's talk about online courses. You know, we all go online to socialize and find things that can entertain us. Do you ever use the internet to learn new things? Well, I think most of us do. Basically, an online course is taking all the information someone is looking for within a specific topic, putting it into one big, nice, organized package to help people learn as much as possible, as fast as possible. Basically, that's what an online course is. Did you know that Google has more than 60,000 searches every second worldwide? So this means that people are looking for information all the time, and of course, information that they don't know much about. So here's just an idea. What if you collect the information people are searching for and then wrap it up in a nice package? Then we have an online course based on the good old supply and demand principle. According to the global industry analysts, online courses are expected to reach more than $240 billion by 2021, which to me, that sounds like an insane amount of money. A lot of people think that they don't know enough about the topic to teach it, but the truth is that you don't have to know about it. Just simply go and learn about it on the device that you're watching this course on, for example. You can teach people everything from baking cakes to how to build a following on Instagram. Whatever topic you want to teach. You don't need to be an expert. You only need to know more than the average person. So the truth is that you can start creating a course right now and then release it within a couple of hours to start making money. It's much easier to create a course today than it was a couple of years back. Today, you don't need to have a website. You don't need to market it, and if you don't know how to edit or create a nice looking thumbnail, that's fine too. You can still get started. Today, there's existing platforms all set to release your course within hours. Platforms that's promoting your course for you. The biggest benefit with creating an online course is that once created, you can sell it over and over again. There's no limited quantity here, like there is with physical products. If you want to give it away for free to get your name out there, then you can use it to get more customers. Since it's online, you can reach and teach millions of students globally, which isn't possible in real life. Your success depends on the need and or desire of your course primarily, and then also on your ability to attract students into the course. So, how do you create an online course? If you're ready to start creating your first course, let's get it in the right order.